Okay, we're rolling. What's up, guys and boys and girls? We're back with another brand new video. So, most of you guys down below were like, Gage, where's your airbox? I just want to point out a couple things with the Polar Sportsman 450 HO or HD EFI is that noise is so hard on the head. So what I did was I went and just put a zip tie, as I have one right there. Swear the sun has more zip ties than a zipper. But no, there is your airbox. If any of you guys were wondering, there it is. That basically is the heart of your engine, because if that's over water, you're done. Yeah, but they put a neat little heat shield in there, and I really don't know if I put one there or what. No, they didn't. So, yeah, boys, I'm gonna be trying it out like around 11. It is like right now almost 12 or almost 11. So yeah, so hope you guys found this interesting. I know I did, but otherwise, don't forget, like up the video if this was helpful to you, and otherwise, peace out. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Gage does things, but otherwise, I'm out.